Namaste. I hope that you all are fine, that you have begun this week at a beautiful note. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the tarot for this week. But before I begin the video, people who do not know me, I am Ruhi Ahluwalia, a coach and a therapist. I help people to maximize their potential in the field of health, career, relationship, and finances. So let's begin. So we have this card from the tarot that tells us that this week we need to be prepared for all kind of readjustments, reorganization in all spheres of our life, because we may have situations coming up this week that we had not anticipated before, and that will require solution oriented approach. So in case you have situations in your life where you find yourself a little bit stuck, don't hesitate to adapt to those situations, because this week will ask you to reorganize, reinvent in all spheres of life. And the more you have the capacity to readapt to situations, better it will be for you. As far as the professional life is concerned, we have these two cards that tell us this week it's going to be excellent for the professional life. I see new signatures happening. People who want to go to new jobs or are waiting for confirmation about new jobs, you will receive confirmation on the new jobs this week. I see a lot of business proposals coming in, a lot of inflow of business activities. So this is going to be a great week for your professional activity. As far as the finances are concerned, we have these two cards that tell us that this week requires some sort of reflection, planning in terms of money management, be it your investments, be it your expenses. So try and think, how would you want to manage your finances? This is going to be a great week to do that for your future stability as well. As far as the love life is concerned, we have these two cards, beautiful cards that tell us that some people are hesitating to move into action. You can go ahead, because this week gives you that opportunity to discuss, to put things in order as far as you and your partner is concerned. There's going to be a lot of peace, harmony, accord, and a lot of good discussions happening this week. As far as the health is concerned, we have these two beautiful cards that tell us that health is going to evolve for a positive reason this week. I see a lot of protection surrounding the health area, be it your physical, mental, emotional, or spiritual health. And also you will be feeling better and better as the week progresses. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we have this card that tells us by the end of the week, you're going to be in a very sunny mode in the sense that you will have that peace, serenity, happiness with your loved ones, close ones. All will depend how well you are aligned throughout the week. So please focus on aligning your thoughts and your action, and also your speech. Focus in the right direction so that you can really maximize the best potential this week. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications, and also share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others. I wish you all the luck and lot of love.